Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are good and fine at home. Class U.K.G. Subject English chapter name Vowels. Student, today I am going to read E sound vowels. You speak with me and read. The next vowel E. The sound of E is A. A few words with sound A are N-E-T net, H-E-N hen, R-E-D red, L-E-Z leg. Now repeat again. N-E-T net, H-E-N hen, R-E-D red, L-E-Z leg. Now few combination sound with vowels A, T, H. A few words with sound H are P-E-T pet, N-E-T net. Repeat again. P-E-T pet, N-E-T net. N. A few words with sound N are H-E-N hen, P-E-N pen. And repeat again. H-E-N hen, P-E-N pen. Okay, students. Add. A few words with sound add are B-E-D bed, R-E-D red. Repeat again. B-E-D bed, R-E-D red. Egg. A few words with sound egg are L-E-Z leg, K-E-Z cake. Now repeat again. L-E-Z leg, K-E-Z cake. Student, take out your English book. Open your page number 13 and repeat again E sound vowels. Read and match the words to the correct pictures. Okay? E-L-E-P-H-E-N-T elephant. Student, E is vowel. P-E-N-C-I-L pencil. E-double-G egg. D-E-S-K desk. Y-E-L-L-O yellow. L-E-Z leg. E is vowels. E is students vowels. Now repeat again. E-L-E-P-H-E-N-T elephant. P-E-N-C-I-L pencil. E-double-E-Z egg. D-E-S-K desk. Y-E-L-L-O-W yellow. L-E-Z leg. Now reads new words. T-E-N-T tent, N-E-S-T nest, B-E-D bed, B-E-double-L bell. E is student, E is vowels. And again repeat. T-E-N-T tent, N-E-S-T nest, B-E-D bed, B-E-double-L bell. Student, take out your copy and pencil and match the picture. Okay? Elephant. Where is the elephant picture, students? Match the elephant picture. Okay? Pencil. Where is the pencil picture? Match the pencil. Okay? Egg. Where is the egg, students? Match the egg. Desk. Where is the desk, students? Match the desk. Yellow. Where is the yellow, students? Match the yellow. Leg. Where is the leg, students? Leg picture. Okay. Student, put the date in the corner side and classwork. Classwork. First line, write sound S-O-U-N-D. Sound E. Write 2 times in the copy. What is the spelling of egg, students? E-double-G, egg. And write again E-double-G, egg. Leg. What is the spelling of leg, students? L is a leg. And repeat again, L is a leg. Okay, hen. What is the spelling of hen? H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. Pen. P-E-N, pen. And write again, P-E-N, pen. Okay, what is the spelling of bed, students? B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. Okay, then. D-E-N, then. D-E-N, then. Bell. What is the spelling of bell, students? B-E-double-L. B-E-double-L. E is vowels. Nest. N-E-S-T, nest. And repeat again. N-E-S-T, nest. And put the homework next page. S-A-M-E, same as A-S-E-S. C-V, C-W. And put the homework corner side. Save and CV, write very carefully, neat and clean. And learn at home. Okay, student? Learn vowels at home.